Hi everyone, so today we're going to use our Flex Plus multi-tool and chop some walnuts because I'm making baklava next week. So our Flex Plus comes with a food processor. We've got the blade down in the bottom for chopping up whatever. These things always stick on me. Ow! Should I open them already? We have a slicing disc for slicing cheese, vegetables, whatever. And we have a shredding disc, so if you want to shred different things, make coleslaw or whatever. We have our hand mixer attachment. We've got the heavy duty beaters. One of them has the ring on it. Make sure you get it in the correct side. And our whiskey beaters. Whisking comes with a cup so you can make homemade mayonnaise with your immersion blender part. Put that together. Sound effects. Comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a charger, which are over the other batteries over there charging. So that is our Flex Plus. And you can get it through my website, and that is www.pamperschef.com/PWS/Melissa Clausen. So, okay, and this month, hosts get 60% off any item. Yay! All right, have a good day.